Water to bring you. The water won't take you back.
Moonlight drifting on the creek, so slow. Sweet grass whisper where the warm winds blow. Gullah Geechee memories in the marshland breeze. I hear my elders in the rustling trees. Tide keep humming like a low bass line. Stars lay diamonds on the water shine. Every ripple knows my history. Gullah Geechee SEA ME. The old ones knew. Cast net stories in the indigo blue. Oyster shells gleaming by the sandy shore, calling my spirit back home once more. Cypress shadows sway like they know my name. My name. Salt air singing through a sacred flame. Sacred flame. From the creek to the wide Atlantic Sea. Gullah Geechee SEA ME. Hey, 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 hey.
Thanks for coming out. What are we doing today? So what we're doing is we are building a shoreline habitat unit reef, SHU for short, SHU, on the side of Parris Island. The reason we're doing that is to prevent erosion on Parris Island. The Marines are very interested in not having their island erode away, so they're looking for a bunch of projects that people can do to help stop and mitigate that, and that's where we come in. We collect oyster shell from those bins, and we take it and we put it back out into the estuaries. Why do we do that? There's three main reasons why we do that. Oysters are habitat forming, and a single adult oyster or an oyster reef creates habitat for 137 different species of critters throughout the waterway. So that's super important for biodiversity. Also, oysters are a keystone species. Without the oyster, everything you see around here that's natural and beautiful falls apart. What's next? Water quality. So on these reefs are going to be home to millions and millions of oysters, and oysters do something very essential to our waterways. They filter water. A single adult oyster can filter 2.5 gallons of water every hour. If you've come out here and done these MWRs, that's millions and millions of habitat for millions and millions of oysters, and then that's 2.5 gallons of water per hour per oyster. So let's go to what we're doing today. We are building SHU reef. How that's going to look is we have pallets pre-placed onto the shoreline where we go down on Parris Island. We're going to boat there. These pallets are placed out. We have staff already there. We have a core mat placed over the top of the mud. What we're going to do is we're going to take from the pallet that'll be right around here, and we're going to build the reef right here. There's a specific way these shoes will fit together. They kind of essentially will look like this, but it's easier for us to show you than talk you through it. It'll make sense once you do like 2 or 3 sections. But that being said, let's get out there and let's see how many we can get done. The goal is 300 feet today, up to 600 feet.
Peace and blessings. How Hunnuh children do. It's your Queen Quet, head from the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation, out on a Gullah Geechee SEA ME work journey. We're going out for Bill, a living shoreline, out at PI as we call it, Parris Island, not private investigator. So Hunnuh children, y'all will see this part of what we do to save the marine environment, so that we can make sure that Gullah Geechee culture and things stay. Now I know plenty of Hunnuh children yet with Parris Island, y'all think about the Marines and things like that, hoorah, alright? But Hunnuh children might don't know this. My family used to live on Parris Island, see that? For all this military thing, they build up like it does now. But now, for hold upon that, and for make sure we hold on all of the water quality and things around here, for all these sea islands being true, this beautiful county, beautiful by the sea, come journey with we for Gullah Geechee SEA
Let the tide roll in with the healing sound. Roots Geechee SEA ME.
As long as we don't have to swim to over there, we're fine. Praise God for the sun.
As we pull up, y'all just stay clear of that little front section. I'm going to drop that down so that it's kind of a walkway on the beach. Do it a little 2-day style. If that makes sense.
That word. Until we say you're hungry now, they're all staying ready for you now, Panita. Hunnuh gonna be all right. You have to wait like the rest of we, birdie. This flooding is unbelievable, and I've been telling the county that this road floods, and now they'll see by video that I'm not making it up. Here we go. This is sea level rise on St. Helena Island. This is Club Ridge Road. It is almost completely covered, and no, it's not a tropical storm. No, it's not a hurricane or anything. As you see the churning in the water right there, that's what we always see. But look at this tide, y'all, because of the moon, and we've had about 3 days straight of rain. This is what we are telling the government right now. This is the week of UN COP, everybody. We've been telling them, stop playing. Time is up.
Home is the song that sets me free. Gullah. Geechee.